Hi, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to LG Comes YouTube channel. Welcome. So, in this lesson, we'll continue with our discussion on measures of central tendency of an ungrouped data. So, here we have scores of 50 students on a FEM 204 test, right? And want to find the mean score, otherwise known as the average score, want to find the modal score, and then we need to find the median score. Actually, it is really easy, right? The whole thing started from a given data set, so I've classified it into this form, right? So I don't think we really need to write the data set again and then rearrange, since I've been teaching that for a while. You know how to do that. Anyway, so we have our frequency distribution here, and from 0 to 10, arrange in an ascending order. I could have also arranged in a descending order, right? So whenever you are doing your work, ensure that you arrange in a definite order, whether descending or ascending. I would prefer ascending anyways, from the lowest number to the highest number. So how do we get our mean? We'll be solving for mean since we had a class on mean. Summation of fx over summation of n, which is sum of frequencies. So let's add this guy. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 4 9, plus 6 15, plus 10 25, plus 8 plus 7 is 15. That's 40. So this is 50. So fx 0. Alright, so the test is actually 10 marks, right? And then you see the distribution. 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 3 is 6, 3 times 4 is 12, 4 times 6 is 24, 50, 48, 49, 40, 36, and then 10. So we add the whole thing up, 6, 7, 19 plus 24, blah, 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 blah. So we are going to get 276. Let's take our time. So the mean score by x equals 276 divided by 50 scores, or 50 students. And that guy gives us, what have I done here? I wrote a 552, is that right? No, it can't be. This is going to be 5.52. 5.52. So as approach to one decimal place is 5.5. So the average score is 5.5, which means that on average, students actually passed these tests, right? On average, students pass this test. When we say on average, we don't mean for each child. So we are just saying like collectively, right? Students actually kind of pass the test and the score. I was like, okay, well, let's be fair. Okay, 5.5. Let's be fair. Alright, so how do we get our mode? Mode is not even difficult at all. So mode is just the score with highest frequency. So what score has the highest frequency? This score, right? 5 marks. So mode equals 5. Why? Because it is the score with the highest frequency. The other one that comes close to it is 6. Right? So it's 10 students out of 50 students got 5. Right? What if you are asked to calculate the percentage of those who passed the exam if the pass mark was 5? So if the pass mark was 5, what would be the percentage of students that passed the exam? So this was not meant to be part of what we're doing, but so we can just do it anyway. So if pass mark equals 5, so percentage of students that passed, or the pass rates, I just say the pass rates, so be equal to, so from 5 down, so 10 plus 8, frequency 10 plus 8, 18, 18 plus 7 is 25, 25, 30, 35, 6 plus 4, yeah, 35 students. I'm going to have 35 students divided by 50 times 100. That should give us a 70%. 70% of the class passed. If the pass mark was 5 marks, 70% of the class passed. But mode in itself is just 5. So yeah, the funny one when you are dealing with something like this is the median. The median is actually very funny to find. Now, there are two formulas that you can use to find the median. First is if the sum of your frequency is odd, right? If it is odd, how do you get a median? And then if it is even, how do you get a median? So it is different. Now look at here, sum of our frequency is an even number 50. So we are going to use a different formula. But let me tell you the two formulas. So for the first one, if your n is an odd number, right? So let's say, for example, you have 1, 4, 5, 7, and 10. Then you have to find the median. What would the median be? Uh, take this out, take this out, take this out, take this out. You're left with 5. So that's the third number, right? The third number. So the way to find the formula that you're going to use is going to be n total number, right, plus 1 over 2 n plus 1 over 2 position. So this is not telling you the median exactly, it's just telling you the location of the median, right? So what is n? N in this case is 5 plus 1, right, divided by 2 position. So this is 6 over 2, and that will give you 3. So the third number is the median. The median is not 3, right? The median is the third number. So this formula that you use to find the median when you have an odd number. So what if it was an even number? Let's say you have 2, 4, 8, 10. And then you have to find the median. So you take this guy out, take this guy out. You have two numbers. So normally we just do 4 plus 8 divided by 2. Yes or no? Right? So that's that. 4 plus 8 divided by 2 is going to be the median. So median in this case equals 4 plus 8, everything divided by 2, which is going to give us a 6. So if you want to use a formula to find that guy, what will the formula be? So the formula is going to be n n over 2, n over 2's position plus n over 2 plus 1 position, everything divided by 2. N over 2 position plus n over 2 itself plus 1 position. So you're going to have 2 positions. Like this is going to be the first position, this number is going to be second. Just the way we add, the first position was this, the median. This was the first one, second one. So we added those two numbers and then divided by 2. So this th do not extend to 2. So you use this and this to identify what do you call it now? To identify the position of the numbers that are that happen to be the median, then you divide it by 2. All right. So now let's go. N is 50. So 50 over 2, right? Position plus 50 over 2 plus 1 position. So everything, let me just write this to here. Everything divided by 2. So this is the 25th number plus the 26th number, right? Both of them divided by 2. So how would you know that? How would you know the 25th number and the 26th number? It's easy. So we have to create a new column here that we call the cumulative frequency column. We've done cumulative, we drew the ogive, right? So this is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. 25, 33, 40, 45, 49, and 50. So I told you that a way to know if your CF is correct, the last number in your CF must be equal to the sum of your frequency. So how do you get the 25th number? So we'll be checking our CF. Which one is around 25th? So it's not 1, it's not this, it's not 25th number. So this frequency 25. So number 5. So we're going to be having 5 plus, what will be the 26th number? 26th number is already greater than 25, but it's not up to 33. So that means it is within here. So which means that the 25th number ended here. 26th number started from 6 up to the 33rd number. So the 26th number to the 33rd number, right? They are just 6, like 6, 6, 6, 6, like up and down, right? So if you now get to the 34th number, so the 34th number is not within 6 again. 34th number is now going to be within this range. So that means 34th number started from 7 till the 40th number. Anyways, so 26th number is that's passed there. So here you don't jump 33 to 40, no, the one immediately after 25, 33, so which is 6. You have 5 plus 6 divided by 2, then this is also equal to 5.5. So yeah, our mode is 5, our mean is 5.5, our median is 5.5. This thing is nearly normally distributed actually. Next is an assignment for us to practice with. So it's a pretty simple assignment. Number of mobile phones. So mobile phone 0, perhaps the phones were labeled 0, labeled 1, labeled 2, labeled 3, labeled 4, and 5. So and their respective frequencies were 3, 5, 8, 10, 13, 7. So mobile phone 0, you have 3 of it. Mobile phone 1, you have 5 of it. Mobile phone 2, you have 8 of it. Mobile phone 3, you have 10 of it. Mobile phone 4, you have 13 of it. And mobile phone 5, or thereabout, you have 7 of it. Oh, that is. Anyway, number of mobile phones 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The frequency 3, 5, 8, 10, 13, and 7. So find the mean, median, and the mode of the distribution above. Straightforward, just follow the example. The only one that can give you issue is the median. So just check. Sum of frequency, is it even? Is it odd? It's looking even to me though. Is it? I don't think it is. This looks odd, so which means it is easier. No. 20, 18, 13. So that's odd. It's odd to me. Alright, so that's it. Thank you so much, guys. See you in the next lesson. We're talking about in media mode of group data, and then we looked at the concept of assumed mean, and so on and so forth. So thank you. See you there. Bye.